Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Xfinity outage not updating in the app. First, refresh the app by closing it. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and reopen it to update latest outage information. Next, check your internet connection as a weak connection may prevent the app from updating properly. Then log out of your account and log back in to refresh your service status data. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the app and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, as an outdated version may not show real-time updates. You can also try restarting your device to fix temporary glitches affecting the app. If the outage status still does not update, check the Xfinity website or other sources to confirm there is an actual outage. If the issue continues, it may be due to Xfinity system updates, so wait a while and check again later. That's how you fix the Xfinity outage not updating in the app. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe.